Hey everyone, here's my tip of the month on how to help improve your home practice. Work on standing up from the floor without using your hands. This requires quite a bit of hip mobility, core strength, and balance. So, what I suggest is first of all, clear away any sharp objects, including pets, just in case you fall. And then begin by sitting cross-legged near something like, let's say, a chair or a couch, so you can grab onto something at first. So from here, I'll just kind of lean forward, maybe grab this cushion, so I have a little momentum to get up, and then up to standing. And then, of course, reverse it on the way down. Use this couch or whatever you're using a little bit less every time until eventually you don't need that thing anymore to stand up and sit back down. Now, if this is not working for you and you're just getting nowhere, check out one of our videos on our app that helps to improve these things. Again, core strength, balance, and hip mobility. There's plenty of videos that help with those specific topics. But give it a try, and I hope I get to see you soon.